Welcome back to our Tea of the Week series. October 10th is Mental Health Awareness Day, and we wanted to highlight one of our blends created for reducing stress, enhancing mood, and supporting mental health. Let's dive into Organic Cheerful Tea, a floral and citrusy green tea blend of 6 ingredients. The presence of L-theanine, an amino acid found in green tea, promotes relaxation without drowsiness by enhancing alpha brainwave activity, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. This calming effect is often complemented by a moderate amount of caffeine, which can improve focus and cognitive function without the jittery side effects associated with coffee. The antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins like EGCG, may also protect the brain from oxidative stress, supporting long-term mental health. Regular consumption has been linked to improved mood and a reduced risk of depression. Ashwaganda is a powerful adaptogen known for its ability to support mental wellness and reduce stress. It helps the body manage stress by lowering cortisol levels. Studies suggest that regular consumption of ashwagandha can improve mood, decrease symptoms of anxiety and depression. Additionally, it can enhance cognitive function by improving memory, focus, and attention. Its neuroprotective properties can help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Damiana Leaf has traditionally been used to reduce anxiety and elevate mood, thanks to its mild relaxing properties. Damiana is believed to work as a natural mood enhancer, helping to alleviate symptoms of mild depression and stress-related conditions. The herb may also help balance hormones, further contributing to emotional well-being and stability. Additionally, Damiana has been linked to improved mental clarity and focus, making it a helpful aid for cognitive function. Lemon balm helps reduce anxiety and promotes relaxation by influencing GABA receptors in the brain, which play a key role in regulating mood. Lemon balm is particularly effective in alleviating symptoms of stress, such as restlessness and irritability, while also enhancing overall mood. Its calming properties may also improve sleep quality, making it a helpful remedy for insomnia or sleep disturbances caused by anxiety. Additionally, lemon balm has been shown to support cognitive function, improving focus and memory. Lavender's soothing aroma has been shown to reduce anxiety, promote relaxation, and alleviate symptoms of stress, making it a popular natural remedy for calming the mind. Lavender is often used to improve sleep quality, especially in cases of insomnia or restlessness due to anxiety. The herb's anxiolytic properties help reduce nervous tension and promote emotional balance, contributing to a more peaceful mental state. Additionally, lavender may improve mood and alleviate symptoms of mild depression. Rose Petal's calming fragrance can help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of relaxation, often used in aromatherapy to uplift mood and ease mental tension. Rose petals also contain natural compounds that have mild antidepressant effects, helping to alleviate symptoms of sadness or stress while encouraging emotional well-being. Additionally, their calming qualities may support better sleep, reducing restlessness caused by anxiety or mental strain. For this week's recipe, we are giving Organic Cheerful Tea a fall twist. Let's go over how to make our cheerful autumn elixir. First, steep 2 teaspoons of Organic Cheerful Tea and a 1/4 teaspoon of organic ginger in 8 ounces of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. After the tea has steeped, mix in the orange juice, add honey to taste, and garnish if you would like. We hope you enjoy this sweet and tasty fall tea recipe. Thank you for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. Please share your thoughts and experiences with us about Organic Cheerful Tea. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy steeping.